in whatever thing you do. If you do right things, it is God who is going to add. He is going to bring people. Your blessings will be opened so that it can just overflow. There will be no any destruction. But we deny our souls as we trust our energy, we trust our wisdom, we trust our tactics, and we fail to know that there is God. Whatever thing we do is seen, and it is who gives the wages. So today, I want the word of loyal to plant the roots in your life, so that whatever thing you do, you know that God is present. You need to be trustworthy. You need to be loyal. Because He who called you is loyal. He who called you is trustworthy. But if you are not of the truth, everything will fail. There are some things that will join your life that you regret in front. So born again, tell them that they are cheaters. They think that they don't mind, they just in their prayers. Yet sometimes they are not there in prayers. But they know it fails. My brother, the pastor, he prays for me. They say they are going to cut me, but they pray for me. By the moment you confess and come to God, you don't need to go and be prayed for. You need to fulfill that. Fulfill the word of God. Whenever you do it, God is going to mind about your things. Even though they pray for you many times, when for you are not trustworthy, you just develop because you put there your head, it is the head to be removed. Because you it just looks where it is going. It just see where it is going to see. What was put in your hand, and then for you just took it and they gave you to sell small things. But every time you sell, you just want to put something in your pocket. It is not yours, your master's thing. Sometimes the difficult thing it is that the shop.